Hi, this is Sarah Duryea, and I'm going to be doing my art lesson for teaching art in early childhood education. The art activity name is Mosaic Animals, and the media for this is collage or 3D art. The goals and objectives for this lesson are: the student will learn about the history of mosaic art, the student will create their own mosaic, the student will practice fine motor skills by ripping up pieces of paper, and the student will include at least 3 different colors into their mosaic. The materials needed for this lesson are pre-cut templates of animals, black construction paper, and then other colored construction paper, pencils, and a glue stick. So today, class, for our lesson, we are going to be looking at some different pieces of art that was created in Mesopotamia around 3000 BC. These pieces of art are called mosaics, and they were assembled by using small pieces of stone, colored glass, and other materials. It gained popularity in ancient Greece, and the Greeks would put them on walls, floors, and elsewhere. Here are some pictures of the art that they would use in ancient Greece. See, these are mosaics. There's many different ones. And now, today, people still use mosaics in their homes, like in the kitchen as backsplashes. You can find them in gardens, as stepping stones, or just in churches and public buildings. Here are some mosaics that you might see today. They're usually found on walls and on the floors and different things like that. And so today, what you guys are going to be doing is you guys are going to be creating your own mosaic of an animal using construction paper and a drawing of an animal. Alright class, so now I'm going to hand each of you guys a black piece of construction paper, and this is going to be used as the background. And I'm going to give you guys each get to pick whichever animal you would like, and then I want you to trace the animal onto the piece of construction paper. Hopefully you can see it. I know it's kind of hard to see, but now I'm going to hand you guys construction paper, and so you have to use at least 3 different colors. And what you're going to do is just rip them up into tiny pieces and put them on like as your animal, and make sure there's like a background. Make sure basically everything is filled on the piece of paper.
Okay.
And try and be as creative as possible. Don't try and do the same as like your neighbor or one of the examples. Try and use your own originality and uniqueness.
Okay. I need glue.
That's right, here's the glue stick. And so once you start ripping, you can go ahead and glue it too.
I use more colors if I want?
Yes, you can use as many colors as you like. I like how you're using all different shapes and you're not just using all of the same size.
Thank you. I like some big ones and some small ones. Classroom management concerns. Some students may have a difficult time gluing on the paper and it could take them a little bit longer than the other students. So the students who have finished earlier than the other students, they can help their classmates rip up the pieces of paper and help them glue it on just so that we're able to get through the activity, or else it could take a lot longer. But another concern is just to make sure that you have a significant amount of time designated for just this single step of the activity. And the evaluation for the students is the students will be evaluated on how well they follow the instruction that this teacher gave them, and if they included 3 different colors. And then the teacher should also take note on their fine motor skills as they're ripping up the paper. And the extension for this lesson is that the focus set obviously was the history of mosaic art, and so after the lesson the students could get a more in-depth detailed history lesson on mosaic art for a history lesson.